If you need to reschedule a Calendly meeting, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether your plans changed, you need a new time slot, or you simply want to update the meeting details, Calendly makes it simple to reschedule and notify everyone automatically. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, log into your Calendly account. You can do this from your browser by going to Calendly and signing in with the same account you use to manage your meetings. Once you're inside, head over to the Meetings section. This is where you can see your scheduled meetings and manage any upcoming appointments. Now, look through your meeting list and select the meeting you want to reschedule. Make sure you choose the correct event, especially if you have multiple meetings booked around the same time. After opening that meeting, you'll see the available options for managing it. Next, click Reschedule. This will open the rescheduling flow, where you can choose a new meeting time without having to cancel and recreate the event from scratch. It's one of the easiest ways to make a quick change while keeping everything organized. After that, choose a new date and time for the meeting. Calendly will show you the available time slots, so pick the one that works best for you and the other participants. If needed, you can also add a reason for the reschedule. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to give the other person a little context or explain why the time changed. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. As soon as you confirm the change, Calendly will automatically send the updated meeting details to all participants. It will also update the connected calendar invitations so everyone stays in sync without any extra manual work. And that's it. You've successfully rescheduled a Calendly meeting in just a few simple steps. This is a great feature when your schedule changes and you need to move things around quickly while keeping your booking details accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.